Hey guys, how you doing? This is your boy Rich from Rich to Be Live. And we survived another Friday the 13th. Happy Saturday. I want to talk to you guys about Zoomaway Travel. So this has been one of the biggest picks of 2019 for our community. I have to give a shout out to Justin. Justin is a beast. He's the Rich TV Live community rain man. And he brought us Zoomaway Travel at 1.5 cents. It is now at 10.5 cents. It's officially up 500% for our community since we brought it to everybody first. It's been as high as 700% so far this year. It's been by far our best pick of 2019. And I think in 2020, it could go even higher. Now, I'm not suggesting it doesn't go lower. We might be able to pick it up at 5 cents, maybe 7 if it dips down again. That's where you want to load up, because they just partnered with Google Maps and they just announced this week that they are now moving towards being listed on the OTCQB exchange in America, which is going to bring in American investors, which is going to bring in a flood of new money. And if you look at the level 2 market depth of Zoomaway Travel, the bids are huge. There's literally tons of money sitting on the bid. I think that something big is coming. I think there's some big institutional investors or big time investors positioning themselves in this company. Something big is coming. This is a company that's on the rise, and they've been a huge winner in 2019. And I predict in 2020, they may continue this epic run. Stay tuned. This is your boy Rich from Rich to Be Live. Zoomaway Travel, been a huge winner for the community. And I believe in 2020, this trend could continue. What do you think? I'd love to know what you guys think. Comment down below. Share this video everywhere. Zoomaway Travel. Zoom. 500% winner for our community in 2019. What does 2020 have in store? Hey, we got a new OTCQB listing coming. They've got a new partner coming. They've got more revenues coming. Stay tuned. Don't worry. We got you. We'll let you know if anything big happens. Have a great weekend. Your boy Rich from Rich TV Live. And I'm out. Peace. Zoom away travel. Zoom.